with love. Julie has an amazing way of connecting with people, and that's really evident by the strong relationships that she has with our students, our staff, and our families. Julie is just so warm and kind and supportive.
Julie always made sure to keep an open door, problem solve our challenges, and celebrate all of our successes, big, small, personal, or professional.
Her relationship with other staff is personal, approachable. You knew you could just step in and say, hey, you got a second? And talk to her about basically anything and everything. And she wouldn't just nod and smile or give you a nice little tidbit. She took it on.
One of the key things about Julie as a leader, she takes the time to celebrate even the small things that happen, from little tokens of appreciation to staff, to rolling out the gold carpet when the ELC won the gold award at the state level. Julie is committed to not just being positive, but taking time to celebrate the gratitudes and the celebrations that happen. It's important to her, it's important to the staff, and it really has a ripple effect in terms of positivity to anybody who's around Julie.
Julie ensures student success by ensuring her staff feels supported and confident in their teaching in order to provide the best support and services for our students. Because our learners are so young, we are some of the first faces that they see when they enter a school setting, and she always talked about the importance of that and laying that important foundation for our students.
Julie is incredibly deserving of the Ensuring Student Success Award, not only because she's an extraordinary leader and educator, but she's just an all-around incredible human with the biggest heart.
She works hard to connect with the families. She is behind creating all kinds of family nights, happiness night, literacy night, anything that she thought would help the families come in and develop a deeper understanding of their children's education and their social experiences.
Julie is fully invested in whatever she does, and it's shown through her work each day. Julie, we are extremely excited for you as you take on this new position, and we wish you the best of luck.
As much as I'm going to miss you, I do know the ELC will be in good hands because of you. Congratulations.